Hello, welcome back to this new video. Today I will give you some updates about the receiver and about the jumpers. You can use 3 jumpers on this receiver, and this is the place of the jumpers. Okay, if you turn on the Falcon with all the 3 jumpers here, now we can do it together. Okay, I will put the second one and also the third one here. So as you can see, we have 3 jumpers. In this case, when we turn on the Falcon, it starts in the auto mode. It means that we have some demo.
Han Solo. I'm Captain Millennium
Like the
Falcon.
toys in the shop, in the store. We have some demo. This is the toy demo. And this will repeat for 3 times. So in this case, you don't need keyboard or remote control, but it is in demo mode. 3 or 4 times, I don't remember well, but this is the auto mode. So you can show the Falcon to your friends without keyboard or without remote control. Okay, when the demo is finished, the remote control will turn in remote control mode. So, as you can see, I am waiting. Okay, now I will turn off and I will remove all the 3 jumpers. So, without any jumpers, this is the effect. So I will turn on again, and without any jumper, just
Han
wait.
Solo. I'm Captain Millennium Falcon.
Okay, keyboard missing. It means that you must plug the keyboard here, and you can use the keyboard to send commands to the Falcon. Okay, now I will turn off again. I will remove the keyboard and I put the jumper in the middle position in this way. And in this way, if I turn on, we have
Han Solo. I'm Captain Millennium Falcon.
we have the remote control mode. So in this case, we must turn on also the remote control, and this is the new version. So we have changed this name, software test. It is now multiple test, but it is the same inside. And for example, this is the command with the remote control. Okay, you can also put the jumper here in the first position, but this is the local mode, and it means that you can see the demo test, the basic program, but when the demo test will finish, you need to use the keyboard. So if you put the jumper here, please remember to plug the keyboard. Otherwise, you will see here keyboard missing. Of course, there is also the debugging mode, but maybe you are not interested in doing our job. So you can use the jumper in the middle position without any jumpers or with all the 3 jumpers. Of course, in the manual and documentation that we will send to you, you can find all these things. So that's all for this short video about the jumpers mode, and see you soon in the next few days with the new video about the remote control, because we have some news to show you. Okay, that's all, and see you soon. Cheers!